Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is:
If you see red reflectors facing you in the lane lines or the pavement edge line, this means you are A. Approaching a stop sign, B. On the wrong side of the road or going the wrong way on a freeway ramp, C. In a no passing zone. The answer of the question is B. On the wrong side of the road or going the wrong way on a freeway ramp. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I'll be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.